What's the meaning of creditably? Creditably. Creditably.
Creditably. Creditably. Creditably means to do something in a way that is deserving of praise and admiration. When someone does something creditably, they perform their task with excellence, competence, and integrity, and produce a result that is commendable and satisfactory. This term is often used to describe a person's performance or behavior in a particular situation, such as a work project or a sports competition. Overall, doing something creditably indicates that the person has done a job well and should be recognized for their efforts.